All right, today we're diving straight into, well, the engine room of modern AI, really. We're talking about large language models.
Or LLMs.
Exactly, LLMs. This is the tech that's, behind all the chatbots, the content generators.
The virtual assistants on your phone.
Right. So our mission here is simple. Let's get into how this whole revolution is actually working.
Well, at their core, they're AI models that are trained on just massive amounts of text data. I mean, everything from books to basically the entire public web.
So they're not just memorizing things.
No, not at all. They learn the patterns, the grammar, the context, the logic of language, really. That's what lets them reason and, create new things from scratch.
Okay, let's unpack that. The name, large language model. It's called large for a reason, right? It's not just a buzzword.
Definitely not.
It's about, what, three key things. First, the parameters.
Exactly. These are the variables the model learns, and we're talking billions or even trillions of them.
Billions. And then the sheer size of the training data itself, and of course, the huge amount of computing power you need to even process it.
That's it. It's that immense scale of the parameters that really gives it the power to generalize and create such nuanced output.
So that scale is just, it's staggering.
It is. But the real magic isn't just about being big, it's about how it organizes all that information.
Okay, so how does it work?
The foundation for almost all of these is something called the transformer architecture. This was the big leap forward from older neural networks because it lets the model look at an entire sentence all at once.
Which is key for understanding context, right?
Absolutely, for that context-aware reasoning.
So walk me through that. It starts by breaking text down into smaller pieces, tokens, I think.
Yep, tokens, which are then converted into numbers or vectors so the computer can work with them.
But here's the part that I find really fascinating. The attention mechanism. If the transformer is the brain, is the attention mechanism kind of like its ability to focus?
That's a perfect analogy. That self-attention feature is the real breakthrough here.
So it's not just looking at the last couple of words to guess the next one.
No, it's weighing the importance of every single word in the context to make its prediction. And it's that combination, the huge data set, the deep networks, and this context-aware reasoning that makes them so versatile.
So they can summarize, translate, answer questions.
Even write code.
And we're already seeing that versatility change whole industries, like in education, for example.
As personalized tutors or assistants that can answer specific questions on the spot.
And for business, it's customer support chatbots, it's generating reports, emails.
Automating a lot of that routine work.
Right. And in tech, of course, helping to write and debug code, which is a huge accelerator.
But all this power, it definitely comes with some serious challenges. And if we're looking at the big picture, we have to talk about the limitations.
Well, yeah, let's get into that. If they're so good at patterns, why do they still hallucinate? Why do they make things up or generate biased, just plain wrong information? That seems like a pretty big flaw.
It's a critical challenge. The thing is, they don't have true understanding or consciousness. There are phenomenal pattern predictors.
Not truth seekers.
Exactly. They're built to give you the most probable next word, not necessarily the most factual one. And when you add that flaw to the huge resources they need, plus all the privacy and ethical questions, well, human oversight becomes absolutely non-negotiable.
So I guess the main takeaway is LLMs are the new backbone of our digital world. They're transforming everything, but they need strong governance. We have to be vigilant.
Absolutely. And looking ahead, things are moving so fast. We're seeing multimodal models on the horizon systems that can understand text, images, and audio all at once.
Which should help with accuracy and reasoning.
That's the hope.
Yeah.
Ultimately, the vision here is for LLMs to act less like a tool and more like a virtual team member, really, augmenting what we can do, assisting us.
Okay, so if LLMs are becoming these virtual team members, that leaves us with a really vital question to think about. How do we, as the human users, need to adapt? How do we change our own critical thinking and even our organizations to manage these incredibly powerful assistants effectively? That's the real challenge for all of us as this tech keeps evolving.